In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error unable to format USB drive or Windows was unable to complete the format in Windows 11, 10, 8, or even Windows 7. So here's what we're going to do. First, open the command prompt by typing CMD in the search box. Then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt is open, type diskpart and press enter, then type listdisk and press enter again. After that, type select disk. Now you need to know the number of your USB drive, and this part is really important. You must know exactly which one is your USB drive. To double check, just right-click on the Start button, open Computer Management, and then go to Disk Management. And here we go. My USB drive shows up as might be different, so just match it by size. It may also appear as a raw disk, unallocated, or even completely blank, and that's okay. Go back to the command prompt and type your USB disk number in then type attributes disk clear read-only and press enter. After that, type clean and press enter again. The clean command removes all corrupted partition information that prevents Windows from formatting the drive. Next, we'll create a brand new partition by typing create partition primary and pressing enter. Finally, we'll format it by typing formatfs equals ntfs quick and pressing enter. You can replace NTFS with FAT32 if you prefer. I am using NTFS with a quick format, which only takes a few seconds, and that's it. Once the format is complete, the USB drive comes back to life and starts working normally. When we open File Explorer, perfect. The drive is recognized, accessible, and the format works exactly as it should. And that's how you fix a USB drive that refuses to format or keeps showing the Windows was unable to complete the format error. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and share it with others so they can benefit as well.